Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Peekaboo app not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there's a few things that you can do here to actually fix this issue. So first thing you need to do here is you first have to check if your internet connection is actually stable. Now having an unstable internet connection can actually cause this problem. In this case, consider switching to a different connection or switching to your mobile data and see if that solves your issue. In this case, once you've done that, or if this still does not work, what you need to do next is you need to make sure that you have or you're using the most updated version of Peekaboo. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store or the App Store and see if you have the latest version. And if you see the update button there, just go ahead and click on it, and from then on, see if that solves your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you could do here is clear a few things here, so that includes some temporary files. In this case, go ahead and locate Peekaboo here, press and hold on it, and click on App Info. Now from here, what we need to do is just click on the clear data at the bottom right, click on clear cache, and just click on OK. So clearing your cache or your temporary files here can actually help a lot. In this case, go ahead and close this one, open up Peekaboo, and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.